I don't know if I saw this one. Did I see it? I don't even know. Brown one? Stay with me tonight. Oh, I didn't see this balloon. I wish it was daytime. You could see properly. Hoo, hoo, hoo. Look at that. HSB, Maloo, 185, stop playing with me. The legends. Look at this black beauty right here. The nastiness.
They can't get the power. Oh, I mean, they can't get the power. That's the problem. I do the split.
Damn it, I can't see it on the goddamn camera. I think.
I've done the 10.2, but it takes long times. You just span up. But yeah, I've got a smaller pulley on. Like, rolling racing, I normally beat everyone except the R8 turbo. Yeah, it's cool. It is. It throws you in the sea.
Not many people realise, seeing this on a street, what it's capable of. There's so many SUVs on the road.
Yeah, that's right.
This is like.
This must be the owner.
Yeah. I mean, there was a guy that had a 900 wheel horsepower.
One that's actually this car. So say Cooper's got the set from those cars.
That blue thing, I didn't even see that either. Ah, customer parking. What the hell? Who was that meant to be? Elvis? And who the hell is that meant to be? I don't know. Stop playing with me! That's all I can say. Snap, crackle, and pop! getting a little bit dark now, brother. Can barely hear. Can't even see. The legends.
Hey, he's too old for you guys.
Yeah.
He's like, he does all these, he does his sets up like
This gold thing. What happened? The peeps are out? Looks like it. Anyway.
bit chilly, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit cold, yeah. I got lots of jumpers on though. Like 3 of them.
God.
Yeah. The legend. No, you're right. You're right, mate. You can go. The legend. North Steel Car Club. Yes. It's checking the jumper.
What, the back of the
The
jumper?
back of the jumper,
Oh,
yeah.
the back of the jumper.
Taking a video of it.
Oh,
Okay. Okay, yeah. So you saw VE. I'll be like,
I don't think I got a shot of this. Yeah. Yeah.
and
Nice.
then I was coming down.
Hey, don't get none of the camera. Fucking playing with me. Let's get a shot of the dog here.
He loves attention, so it's perfect.